To unpair an Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6 from a Samsung SmartThings hub, we open our SmartThings app on our mobile device. We tap on the thing which is associated with our Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6, which in my case is Switch. We tap on the settings icon at the right top. We tap on Remove. We tap on Remove. We proceed by pressing on the Action button on the Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6. The SmartThings app will show a confirmation message that the device has been successfully removed from SmartThings. We tap on OK. We have hereby successfully unpaired the Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6 from a Samsung SmartThings hub.